Good morning, this is Jess of Fun with the Chris's. Today I'll be showing you how to get rid of the Google sign in when every time you try to do your art channel. So we start going to YouTube. And then you sign in to your channel. My one is already signed in because I've signed into the Google. So I'm using Chrome, by the way, so it's all different for different kind of laptop you're using. If you're using Firefox, you're using Mac, so it will be all different. So my one will be Chrome. So as you can see, this is my logo for my channel. So there, Fun with the Chris's. So you go to your channel. At the moment I have my art channel, but I'll show you how to get those ones when you don't have it. So we'll just go back and go to here on right tab on the corner, and then you go to your setting, and then you go, this would be your top, so go to all the way down to your privacy and security, and then my one says site setting. You just have to find the one that says controlling all your website information. So my one is called site setting, and then go look for the cookies and then click on this one. As you can see, the called black third-party cookies right there. So at the moment my one is unblocked. The reason it was so that I can do my art channel. If you keep seeing the Google sign in, this one you have to unblock this one. I'll show you. So if I click on this one, put it on, this is what's gonna happen. We're just gonna go back to my site, to my channel, and then press customize channel. See, this is the one that I was telling you. If you put that on, the third party, this one, the one will keep popping in front of your screen. So this is going to be the problem that you're trying to figure out. So to get rid of this, like the one I showed you, is you just go here, showing you again, settings, then go all the way down to your site settings, so whatever it called in your computer. So I'm just gonna go all the way down. So my one called site setting, and then cookies, and then this one I just have to unblock, like not unblock, I mean to deactivate this one, and then you just have to refresh, and then you just have to go back to your channel. Then customize channel, and then see if it's gone or is still there. There. Now you can upload all the pictures or the photos that you wanted to do. So I hope this video will help you how to get rid of the problems you're trying to do to your art channel. And if you're new to my channel, please press subscribe and like, and click the notification bell also, and so that you get notified for all the videos I'm going to upload. See, now I put already my art channel. So thank you for watching. So bye.